Good, you too? It's your boy T.Y. the Trucker. But guess what? I got a special guest ride with me today. I got my beautiful mother right here. She don't want to be on camera. She camera shy. Alright, YouTube. Just got fuel. Now I'm about to head. I got a load going to somewhere in Dallas, Texas. It's I think it's like 20-30 miles outside of Dallas. Let me see. I can give y'all the exact name. I forgot the exact name. Oh, Kaale, Texas. Going to Kaale, Texas. I got a load out there. It's a light load. Weighs about 10,000 pounds. That's what I try to aim for all the time. Light loads, because that's less wear and tear on your truck, less wear and tear on your body. About to enter into this, the Mobile, Alabama tunnel. I love it. Mobile, Alabama. Down we go. Alright, YouTube, I'm trying to debate after I deliver this load in Dallas. I'm trying to debate whether I want to go to Oklahoma to pick me a load up to go back to Florida, or once I deliver in Dallas, pick me a load up out of Texas to go back to Florida. I'm still debating. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you guys know what I come up with. But I seen a lot of good loads that was leaving from Dallas, picking up in Dallas, going to St. Louis as well. So I don't know. I might go up to St. Louis. I'm undecided. I'm taking all these pills. What you taking, Mom?
It's ashwagandha.
And what they for? What it helps?
Relax, cortisol levels, memory, cognition. It's good. Kaale brand.
You got me taking some of this stuff.
This is fine.
I was just thinking while I was up here driving, what if DOT allowed truck drivers to drive 14 hours of drive time, or have 14 hours of drive time and 14 hours of on duty time? Do you guys think we'll make more money? What y'all think? Comment below. Because right now, we can only drive for 11 hours and have 14 hours of on-duty time. But what if we have 14 hours of drive? Let me tell y'all something, YouTube. There's nothing wrong with getting out and stretching those legs, those arms, everything. All right, YouTube. So I just made it to the receiver here in Dallas. But actually, it's in Dallas, but it's a city. I guess it's outside of Dallas, like 15, 20 miles, called Kaale, Texas. So right now I'm trying to figure out where the driver's area, the driver's attention vendors, please ring doorbell for access to facility. Now I don't know if that's the, let me walk around here. But drivers, I'm looking for the driver's check-in. It might be over here. YouTube, just a little update. Oh, I got some on my shirt right now. But anyway, earlier I was telling you guys, hopefully I could try to find me a load going from Dallas, where I dropped off at, going from Dallas to either St. Louis or, you know, somewhere in the neighboring state or city. But let me tell you something. The way that load board and how those brokers and stuff was acting. Okay, so the loads was there, but when I called the broker to try to book the load or see the details about the load, it was like trying to pull teeth, because either the broker would say it's already covered, the load was already covered, or they'll say, oh, once I tell them my company name and give them my MC number, oh, we cannot use you. I'm like, come on, man. So it was just, I was battling between with those two things with the broker, and then, or okay, I was good. The company will be good with the broker, but the load times didn't match up with what I was looking for, or the rate. So it was an act of Congress trying to find a load. But I finally found something. It wasn't what I was really looking for, per se, but it's something, I guess. I found the load going from, what's this city that I'm in? Iron, Texas, I believe. Going from Iron, Texas, which is like 15, 20 miles outside of Dallas, going to Houston, Texas, delivering tomorrow. I just shut down for the night. I just want to show you guys this. Sometimes you might not be able to find a part at the truck stop. So you got to make you a part, you know what I mean? So that's what I had to do tonight. So I just want to show you guys what I had to do in order to make a part. Because when I tell you this place is slammed with trucks, there's trucks in every corner, nook, cranny, you know what I mean? So let me show you. Yeah, this is where I had to park. Like, it's like in the middle. That's the fuel aisle right there. That's the mechanic shop. So I had to park like right in the middle of, like in the heart of in the heart of this parking area. Just a little update. Remember when I was telling you guys about last night with the parking? I was telling you guys that sometimes, you know, you might have to you'll go to a truck stop, you'll get to a truck stop, and you might not be able to find a regular part. So you're gonna have to park. You're gonna have to just make your part. And basically that's what I did yesterday. I mean, last night. But anyway, come this morning, I get a loud knock on my door. Bam, 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 bam. Hey, what in the world is that? Who is that? So, kind of find out it was a worker that worked at the truck stop. Was telling me I had to move because I guess because it was me and a couple more trucks parked beside one another, and I guess we was blocking the flow of traffic, the morning traffic, I guess. So she told us to move. But I was just saying all of this to say this. All right. You just have to be prepared for that too. If you park not in the regular spot, you might have to be prepared for somebody to come in maybe 10, 11 o'clock at night. You dead in your sleep, and somebody come like a prostitute knocking on your door at 12, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. And you're gonna have to get up out your sleep. You dead sleep. You half sleep. You trying to maneuver the truck while you almost sleep. And move it to another spot. But anyway, other thing is, my shifter right here is loose, so I gotta try to figure out why is it loose, and I gotta fix it. So I'm gonna show you guys that while I do it. But this shifter right here is moving from left to right. It don't supposed to do that. I mean, yes, it's supposed to. The whole thing's supposed to move, but I'm talking about this top part, right? This top portion. It's got play in it, so I gotta try to figure out what's going on with that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna fix it. All right, too. I just realized that I'm missing a screw right here in the back, because you have two screws, one in the back and one in the front that you got that secures it. But like I said, I just realized that I'm missing that. But we're gonna. I don't think that's the problem. Why it's spinning from left to right. Like, pull this boot down, and let's see. This little part right here, this little connection part. You press this in on the edges. See what I'm saying, YouTube?
should this nut right here be all the way to the base of this right here, or it's okay like that, how it is with that little space between it? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. See what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm curious, but I'm gonna try it out like this and see how it works. This is the finished product. See how it's straight. I'm saying before, straight. So I hope it works out.